We are here in the Strait of Gibraltar, an area known by its high winds and strong gusts. Containers falling due to heavy winds has been a constant in the past in terminals throughout this area. In our case, we have an automated yard, which means we don't have people around the blocks behind me. Still, if this happens, we'll still have major operational disruptions, together with asset damage, cargo damage, which translate into costs and bad quality of service to our customers. Obviously, this cannot happen in a world-class hub. And in order to prevent these situations, we just ask our teams to get together and try to find solutions to solve this problem.
Wind resilience is a decision tool powered by a smart AI engine, which provides an accurate 7 days forecast of wind speed and direction. It gives 48 hours to up to 7 days forecast and is using live feed of our TOS and our asset digitization interface. A smart alert notification system are being pushed into our teams, and based on the outputs of the system, their decision is taken in order to know what specific housekeeping needs to be done based on the status of the containers and their location in the yard.